recently we set up, we set out to become a solutions company as well, and the journey started about roughly about 3 years back when we started making some fundamental investments in internal Dell and also with our acquisitions with a lot of companies across Ecology, Compelent, right, and Forstan. So the transformation has been great. We had great progress, in fact. And if you look at the way we've been transforming ourselves internally as the Dell sales team, we are looking at a solution-based opportunity rather than getting after a unit or a deal-based opportunity. So these basics have been changing pretty fast within Dell. And from a channel perspective, right, we've always set up and we set up the agenda when we started GCC, right? We set up the agenda that we want to be 100% sure that we are supposed to be a solutions channel rather than pushing boxes in the market. And that is one of the fundamental reasons why we did not have large-scale distribution. We had purely back-to-back orders, right, where we identify an opportunity and figure out what exactly is the solution that needs to be positioned and then take it forward as such. So the journey has been good, and I think it's going to get only better as we move forward. See, there are multiple things that are going on in the market, right? So there is an upcoming fast need that customers are looking at an OPEX model rather than a CAPEX model, right? And we have partners in place who are pretty strong and who can execute such kind of long-term projects and opportunities for the customer. And specifically around storage, when you look at our overall portfolio, we did have some product gaps earlier, but with the kind of ramp that we've done so far and what we've got to the market as Dell, I think we have a complete stack now, not only from a storage perspective, but when you look at the overall solution stack, I think we're pretty much there. And specific to the question on looking at the CAPEX versus OPEX, like I said, we have partners who are very strongly engaged with us. We have some pretty good success wins in the recent past, and we'll continue to put a lot of energies around that to support our partnerships in place so that we identify exactly, give the customer what he needs and he pays for what he is required to pay for, so that the return on investment from the customer's side is measured and he can show IT as a profit maker rather than just being a cost in the company. This forum, we did a large event in Mumbai, and this is our event in Delhi, and we'll do it in 2 cities to start with, and of course we'll have several sessions broken off in more intrinsic discussions with our customers and partners across India. So from a channel perspective, we have the SFS events that go hand in hand, and we'll run through the entire stack of not only just storage but the entire solution portfolio. So those series of events have already started working. So from a mega event perspective, it is only in Mumbai and Delhi, but from a rollout perspective, we pretty much rolled it out. So we intend to do it more often. We don't really see that this should be an annual affair, right? So from an engagement perspective and showing the world that yes, we are supposed to take our solutions to the next level of engagement, right? So that is what the event is all about, and we want to cascade that message that we are here and we are here to stay from a channel perspective, from a customer perspective. And if you look at the entire event and the dynamics, right, we've invited both partners as well as customers, right? So we want to make this a very successful event. And I wouldn't want to put a deadline or a date commit per se on that, but we will have regular such events as we move forward. So we have a complete calendar as such, right? I think as we move on, we can share more details as to which city, what we are doing, right, from a channel perspective. So that is already planned and it is in progress as such. I think we had very good participation both from our customers per se and our channel partners per se. I would say we had close to about 80% turn up, and people were very excited. We heard them, and right after the event in Mumbai also we took a lot of feedback and what we could do better and what we could add on to this entire summit as such. And like what we said, we will do it in more cities as we follow on from here, which we've already started off a couple of engagements pan-India, and we'll do it across India as such. So it is not just a limitation with Delhi and Mumbai. The large-scale events are in Delhi and Mumbai, but we will have smaller versions of this with more proximity to the customers and the channel in different cities and towns. So the idea is to ensure that we get more close to our existing channel partners, but other channel partners who wanted to participate, we welcome them so that they can have a feel of what we're doing in Dell. And from an enablement perspective, we're very keen that we work very closely with our existing folks, ensure that they are able to articulate what we exactly bring as a value to the customer and take it forward. Definitely, see, the storage is a part of the solution, right? So there are multiple instances and multiple projects where digitization is required, right? Your IP surveillance stuff is required. So there is a whole lot of stack when we talk about the solution part of it, and storage happens to be the heart of it. So yes, there are multiple things that form around the storage to give the customer a one-stop solution, and we are well placed to do that. If you look at it, just to give you an update, our recent acquisition of SonicWall is all about security, right? So we are trying to see our entire portfolio is very well integrated, right? Well, SonicWall business is business as usual right now as we do the integration part of it between the teams. But from a solution stack perspective, we are clearly looking at what we have today and what are the other things we need to add and then go. I think when we do engage with channel, we are 100% engaged, right? So one thing what I would definitely call out and say is that we work very closely on every single opportunity with our partners. So there is a lot of support that we give to the partner and a lot of support that the partner gives to us, and we work as a team. So having said that, yes, there are some kind of feedback that we keep getting, and you know how GCC has evolved in the last 1.5 years. And we listen to our partners, we listen to our customers, and we don't take time to implement that positive feedback, which will help us grow better, will help us engage better in the market.